Aristotle once said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. This ancient wisdom rings true today more than ever. Our habits, good or bad, shape us, empower us, and ultimately determine our success. Today, we'll be exploring the power of habits. Not just any habits, but 15 specific patterns of behavior that can transform your life, enhancing your personal and professional journey. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is setting clear goals. It's not just a catchy phrase. The power of goal setting is transformative. It's like giving a compass to a sailor lost at sea. The compass doesn't propel the boat, but it does provide direction. That's what goals do. They guide us. Take the story of SpaceX, for instance. Elon Musk set a clear goal in 2002 to make space travel commonplace and even colonize Mars. His ambitious vision seemed like a far-off dream back then, but it gave the company a clear trajectory. Fast forward to today, and SpaceX is pioneering the new era of commercial space travel. So, what's the takeaway here? Set clear, measurable, and achievable goals. Make them challenging yet realistic. Be specific about what you want to achieve and by when. This will create a roadmap for your journey to success. All tasks are not created equal. Prioritizing is the key to efficient time management. The beauty of prioritizing tasks is that it lets you focus on what really matters, freeing up valuable time and energy. It's like clearing away the clutter to reveal the true gems, and the benefits are immense. Higher productivity, less stress, and a more balanced life are just a few of the rewards waiting for you when you master the art of prioritization. But how do you do it effectively? Start by making a list of everything you need to do. Then, rank each task based on its urgency and importance. Don't forget to consider deadlines and the potential consequences of not completing a task. Let's consider a case study. Think about a successful entrepreneur. They're often juggling multiple responsibilities at once, but by prioritizing tasks, they can delegate lesser important work and focus on strategic decisions that truly drive their business forward. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the steadfast force that keeps us on track, the compass that directs us towards our objectives. So how do we develop this vital trait? Firstly, it's about understanding your why. Define your purpose and let it fuel your drive. When you know why you're doing something, it becomes easier to stay committed. Secondly, set a routine. This is like drawing a roadmap for your day. It gives structure and eliminates the need to make unnecessary decisions, saving your energy for the tasks that truly matter. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Consider the life of a successful athlete. Their career is a testament to the power of discipline. Strict training schedules, dietary restrictions, and sacrifices in personal life are all part of their routine. Yet it's this discipline that propels them to the top of their game. With discipline, all things are possible. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. A powerful sentiment, isn't it? This is because gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a mindset, a lifestyle, a decision to focus on the good in life. Scientific studies have shown that practicing gratitude can improve our mental well-being, increase empathy, and even enhance sleep quality. How do we incorporate gratitude into our daily routine? It's simpler than you might think. Start a gratitude journal, listing 3 things you are thankful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. Let's look at a case study. Meet John. John decided to practice gratitude daily for a year. He started appreciating the small things. His morning coffee, a sunny day, a kind word from a friend. Over time, John reported feeling happier, less stressed, and generally more content with life. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So why not start practicing gratitude today? Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and diligence. This is the essence of continuous learning, a powerful habit that drives personal and professional growth. Continuous learning is not about cramming information, but about adopting a mindset that yearns for knowledge, that's curious, that's open to new ideas. This can be as simple as reading a book, enrolling in online courses, or even listening to informative podcasts during your daily commute. Let's consider a case study. Take, for instance, the story of Bill. an entrepreneur who made it a habit to learn something new every day. Over time, he found himself better equipped to make informed decisions, to innovate, and to adapt to the ever-changing business landscape. Continuous learning was no longer a task, but an integral part of his lifestyle. In conclusion, remember this: the capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Please like and subscribe for more tips to help boost your self-development journey. Your network is your net worth. It's a catchy phrase, but what does it mean? Simply put, the connections you make today could be the catalysts for opportunities tomorrow. Networking isn't about collecting business cards, it's about building meaningful relationships. So, how can you network strategically? Start by identifying your goals. Are you seeking mentorship, job opportunities, or simply broadening your knowledge base? Once you've pinpointed your objective, seek out individuals or groups that align with those goals. Attend industry events, participate in online forums, or engage in social media discussions. Consider the story of a young entrepreneur who attended a startup event in her city. She connected with an influential venture capitalist who later became instrumental in securing funding for her business. The power of networking is undeniable. Remember, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. Regular physical activity is a powerful tool that enhances every aspect of your life. It boosts your energy, improves your mood, and helps you think more clearly. Let's dive into the benefits. Regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases, boosts mental health, and promotes better sleep. It's not just about the gym or running marathons. You can incorporate physical activity in your day-to-day life in simple ways. Take a brisk walk during lunch breaks, use stairs instead of elevators, or do a quick workout session in the morning. Consider the case of John, a busy professional who incorporated exercise into his daily routine. He started with 10 minutes of stretching every morning, gradually increasing his activity level. The results? Improved concentration, lower stress levels, and a healthier, happier life. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. So make exercise a regular part of your life and experience the transformation. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. It's a mantra we've all heard, but the power of a healthy diet can't be overstated. Consuming balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains fuels your body and mind, enhancing your brain function, energy levels, and overall well-being. How can you eat healthily? Start by listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Choose whole foods over processed ones. Incorporate a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a range of nutrients. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but when and how you eat. Regular meals and mindful eating are key. Consider the case of John, a busy professional who switched to a healthier diet. He noticed a significant improvement in his concentration, productivity, and mood. His experience underscores the transformative effect of good nutrition. Remember, food is the most abused anxiety drug. Exercise is the most underutilized antidepressant. Eating healthily is a powerful habit that can profoundly affect your life. Sleep is the golden chain that binds health and our bodies together. Such a profound statement, isn't it? Sleep, often overlooked, is a vital part of our lives. It's when our bodies recuperate, our minds process the day's events, and our spirits rejuvenate. Now you might ask, how can I improve my sleep quality? The answer lies in maintaining consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends. A dark, quiet, and cool environment can also enhance your sleep experience. Consider Thomas Edison, a man known for his relentless work ethic. Yet he wasn't immune to the effects of poor sleep. His productivity waned and his health suffered. When he adjusted his sleep pattern, his life changed dramatically, his inventions flourished, and he lived to a ripe old age. So remember, sleep is the best meditation. It's not just about closing your eyes, but opening your mind to the power of rest. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Let's soak that in for a moment. We live in a society that often stigmatizes failure, but it's crucial to understand that failure is an integral part of our growth and development. It's the stepping stone to success, the forge in which our resolve is tested and our courage is strengthened. But how can we make failure work for us? First, accept it. Acknowledge that failure is a natural part of the journey and not a dead end. Then analyze it, reflect on what went wrong and why. This insight is valuable. It helps you to refine your approach. Consider the story of Thomas Edison. It took him over 1,000 attempts to create a functional light bulb. But did he see those attempts as failures? No, he saw them as steps on the path to success. Remember, the only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. The most important thing in communication is hearing what isn't said. This profound wisdom reminds us that effective communication isn't merely about delivering messages, but also about understanding the unspoken aspects. It's the bridge between confusion and clarity, the difference between a misunderstood intention and a successful outcome. But how can you enhance your communication skills? First, listen more than you speak. Understand the perspective of others before expressing your own. Second, be concise. Clear and succinct messages leave less room for misinterpretation. And third, be empathetic. Recognize the emotions and needs of others to foster a deeper connection. Let's consider a case study. Imagine a company struggling with internal conflicts. After implementing communication training, they reported an improvement in team cohesion and a significant increase in productivity. That's the power of effective communication. Good communication is just as stimulating as black coffee and just as hard to sleep after. So why not make it your habit to communicate effectively? It's a skill that's bound to make you more powerful in every aspect of your life. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Wise words that capture the essence of staying organized. It's not just about having a clean desk or a tidy home. It's about having a clear mind, a streamlined workflow, and a structured approach to tackling tasks. The benefits are manifold. It saves time, reduces stress, and boosts productivity. Let's explore some practical tips to stay organized. Start by decluttering. Get rid of unnecessary items and maintain only what you need. Next, establish a system. A place for everything and everything in its place. Use tools and technology to your advantage. Apps for task management, digital calendars, and cloud storage can be game changers. Consider the case of a successful entrepreneur who attributed his success to being organized. He streamlined his operations, delegated tasks effectively, and used digital tools for project management. His productivity soared, and his business flourished. Remember, clutter is nothing more than postponed decisions. Make those decisions today and reap the rewards of staying organized. Distractions destroy action. If it's not moving you towards your purpose, leave it alone. In this digital age, distractions are more abundant than ever. Notifications, emails, social media, even your own thoughts. These are all potential diversions that can derail your focus. Limiting distractions is not just about turning off your phone or closing your email. It's about creating an environment that supports your goals. Begin by identifying your main distractions. Is it your smartphone? Is it frequent breaks? Once you have identified them, find ways to minimize them. This could be as simple as setting specific times to check emails or using apps that limit screen time. Let's take a look at a case study. Consider a successful entrepreneur who attributed much of her success to limiting distractions. She would disconnect from the internet for 4 hours each day, allowing her to focus solely on her work. This simple act greatly increased her productivity and led to the growth of her business. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. It's a habit that can shape your thoughts, transform your perspective, and empower your decisions. Reading daily doesn't mean you need to devour an entire novel each day. It could be a chapter, an article, or even a thought-provoking quote. The goal is to stimulate your brain, broaden your knowledge, and ignite your creativity. There's a world of wisdom and knowledge at our fingertips. From success stories to scientific breakthroughs, from historical events to futuristic predictions, reading can take us on a journey through time and space, all from the comfort of our own homes or during our commute. Let's consider the case of Bill Gates, one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. He attributes a significant part of his success to his habit of reading. He reads at least 50 books a year. That's nearly a book a week. Remember, the more that you read, the more things you will know. So why not start this powerful habit today? Celebrate your successes. Find some humor in your failures. In this whirlwind journey to success, it's easy to overlook the importance of celebrating our wins. Whether big or small, every achievement deserves a moment of recognition. Why, you ask? Celebrating wins boosts our confidence, reinforces the behavior that leads to success, and breeds a culture of accomplishment. Here's how you can do it. Start by acknowledging your accomplishments. Write them down in a journal or share them with someone you trust. Then, give yourself a pat on the back. Treat yourself to something you enjoy. This could be a well-deserved break, a favorite meal, or even a mini vacation. Let's take the case of Thomas Edison. He famously made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. But every time he failed, he celebrated that he was one step closer to success. And look where it led him. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Start building your powerful habits now. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.